Wey'ngane zakwethu, eyi indaba kaDumisani Zuma ebuhlungu, ayibuhlungu. Kubukeka ngathi uZuma usefuna ukuyeka ukudlala ibhola. Usefuna ukuyeka ukudlala ibhola okuveza ukuthi ngathi uney'nkinga ey'ningi. So sekubukeka ngathi ngeke saba umuntu ongaqhubeka adlale ibhola. And kubukeka ngathi i-Chiefs nayo yaba nesandla okumkhululeni kwabo ukuthi abasamdingi. Leyo nto leyo kwaba yinto engathi yamlimaza uMjida. Yamlimaza uMjida ukuya kwakhe kumaZulu. Shothi uye vele engasekho right. Yabo. Yekho bothatha ukubheka. Ufike kumaZulu uMjida wangaperforma the way esimasigakhona. Yabo.
A talent too great to never kick a ball again at 29 years old. A talent so good that at a young age he had to join a professional club. He's worked on his talent and he's shown it even at an international stage, representing his national team.
Like, I want to retire now. Like, I can't listen to say it is too much for me. And then that's when I missed training. Then when they found me, they said I need to go speak to the psychologist and everything so that they can try and solve what's kwenzakalani because you're not umuntu okhulumayo nabantu.
You're a very shy person and you keep things to yourself. Kwashona mama nobaba, you kept it to yourself. Kwashona untuli, you kept it to yourself. Kwashona umngani wakho, like car accident, all of those things you keep inside. So what you ukhuluma nomuntu ozokunceda.
So that was it. My psychologist and everything. Then my the psychologist angitshela ukuthi now you don't have much problems. Ayikho inkinga ngawe. When you just need to go play and have fun modlala ibhola. Because yonke into oyikhulumayo and everything. Awuyena umuntu who has a problem with anything. Yeah, I think ukuphuma kakhulu. I think ukuphuma and abangani abaningi. Because I had so many friends.
So kudliwa imali yakho.
Yes. One thing my friend told me is like, you're not young and also dumile ngalendlela like kumele uqale.
I'm sure akubanga kumnandi ukuyizwa lo.
Like kumele ucabange like if you chikuphatheleni.